Hi everybody, I'm Jackie Thomas-Teague from Bloom Property Management, and I'm here at one of our properties that we haven't had a big renovation of in 20 years, but it's certainly time now. Our last tenant was here for 11 years. They were great tenants, but unfortunately they had an accident where they knocked a hole in the wall and they decided to fix it themselves. And so I'm here today to show you why that's a terrible idea. So this is the hole that they've the repair that they've done to the hole in the wall. I've actually spent about 25 minutes scraping this down to remove the extra thickness on the plaster that was there that didn't need to be there, and to make it possible for me to do it. It also happened a few years ago. They unfortunately repaired it before they even told me that there was an issue, and the plaster was dry before I saw it. So I didn't have a chance to go, no, wait, I'll sort that out for you. So it's taken a little while longer to get this ready for repair than otherwise necessary. They had a lot of furniture in this room, so it was hard to get to, so we decided to leave it until they moved out. And that also meant that it had built up a bit of dirt and grime on the surface of it, so that had to be scraped off too, so that the next layer of plaster would adhere. And I've scratched up the surface a bit so that the next coat of plaster will stick to the old stuff. Now, if you think that plastering is easy by looking at somebody on YouTube or somebody in real life doing a professional job of it, it is like a ballet. It is beautiful and smooth and everything goes on beautifully, and swish swish, they're done. In real life, if you're not trained to be a plasterer, it is a lot harder than that. I was trying to count up how many properties I've done plastering at, because I do a lot of my own repairs and maintenance on my own properties, and I figured it's probably over 30 plus properties that I've done this on. And I would rate my level as competent but not skilled. I would be a good handy person kind of level, but I'm certainly not professional. Now imagine if you're a tenant and you've never rented before in your life, you've never had a property to renovate, and you decide to do this yourself. You have a look on YouTube, you go, how hard could that be? Well, yeah, it doesn't look hard, but it really is. So it's often better to just not let tenants do it themselves, but take care of it yourself. Or get someone who knows what they're doing to do it, even more importantly. So to give you an idea of how much plaster I've scraped off this, I'll take you down to the bottom of the wall. Oh, I don't know if you can see it there, but there is a lot of plaster that I've scraped off. And you can see that that was out to here, and I've trimmed it back to here, and I've taken quite a lot of depth off there. If I hadn't, I'd probably use about half a bucket of +4 to cover over that, and it would leave quite a bulge in the wall. So, if you want more tips on how to manage your property well, or even get someone to manage your property for you really well, contact me at Bloom Property Management. You can subscribe to my other videos for more hints and tips to be a better landlord. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.